In this video, I'm going to show how we're going to do a recurring event through Google Apps Script in the Google Calendar. So why we want to use a recurring event is because when we move the events, so if two connected events, for example, like this 18 and 19 November event, we want to move it down to 25, 26. If we use individual events for each day, uh, the events will be able will need to be moved manually each. So I need to move this event down to 25 and move this event down to 26 twice. So I need to do the action twice. However, with this recurrence, what we need to do is just go into one of the events and then adjust the settings, and then it will move all the dates together. So the recurrence event setting that we'll be using will be this is the important one: weekly on Sunday, Saturday until November 19. So this is what allows us to adjust the dates from one event alone. So how do we achieve this setting here using Google Apps Script? Okay, let's go to the script now. So in the Google Apps Script, we can see here, now we are using, last time we used the create event, now we are using create event series. So the first few parameters are the same. So we have the event title, and then we have a start time and end time, which I use my start date and end time. So however, there is this new parameter here, which is called recurrence. So this recurrence is a object from the calendar app. So you can see up here, variable recurrence equals to calendar app dot new recurrence, and then from here we can use the settings. We can create the settings for the recurrence. So to get this weekly, first first of all, we use the add weekly rule. So dot add weekly rule, and then we can use only on the weekdays. So we are selecting the days that this event will recur on. So in this example, it will be Sunday, Saturday. So how do we retrieve these days that we need? I'm using this helper function over here to find the day. So I have a find weekday function, and then I insert the date, and then depending on which day it is, so I'm using get day to find the day, I will return the respective variable. So this is the variable that is used to set the weekday. So calendar app dot weekday dot Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for the rest of the week. So once I insert my required dates, and then I find my days. So for example, this is a consecutive date. So I will just retrieve all the required dates from my start date to my end date, and then I push the variable here into a weekday array, and then I just insert the weekday array into these recurrent settings, and then finally we will set the end date. So for the end date, usually it will be set on the last day, and once we have that, we just add it to the recurrence, and then this would create the recurrence event that is required.